Hello. All right. There used to be a railway track over here. Uh, it took the life of some people. Now it's a jogging track. Now this side is Holland Road. This side is Ghim Moh Road. Oh, there's some construction going on. This is a famous bridge. East Sussex Lane and some bungalow houses that side. The land is expensive. The old blocks are still there. The old residential blocks. Alright, some thick vegetation has grown over the years. I used to come here to play when I was a boy. Memories that was about decades ago, 30 years ago. Alright.